Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Okay, so this is going to be a really quick jewelry vlog. I just got something in. So Knature, there's this jewelry brand that I like called Knature, spelled with a K, Knature, and most of her jewelry is going to be brass jewelry that is plated in gold. I want to say, let me look this up because I've bought some earrings before, but the name of that company was a little different. It was Gypsy by Nature, so let me not get it wrong. PSY by, it is, because I remember the website. Nature. Hold on. Okay. So it was formerly known as Gypsy by Nature. They have since rebranded, and the name of the rebrand is Knature The Label. Knature The Label.com. So previously, and I think I've showed you these before, and they really need to be clean. I don't have a cleaning cloth in here with me, but I bought these hoops. They're like these really large, gigantic hoops, and I don't know if, ooh, it's thundering. Can you hear that? I don't know if she has these on her website still. You can always go and check, but I bought these a few years ago now. It's been a while. And I recently found her again through one of her channels, and I was like, I forgot all about this brand. So sorry I forgot about it, but I just haven't really been jewelry shopping like that lately. So I just got my new package in. This is the package here, and it's a bracelet. If you watch one of my previous vlogs, you may have recalled me saying that I have trouble with bracelets because I don't have a petite wrist. So I'm not even sure if this is gonna fit. I really don't care because I really like cuffs. So this is an arm cuff, and your girl got some meat on her arms, but I could probably wear it on my forearm or something like that. So okay, so I just opened it, and it comes in this little cute cloth. It's kind of like this natural material. It says Nature on the front. It feels small. Oh, but it's weighty, and it's so pretty. Look at this. Oh my God. This is so pretty. It's little. Oh, but yeah, it'll fit. Well, it'll fit my wrist for sure. And it'll definitely fit my forearm. Oh, look at this. This is so pretty. Ah! Okay, this is gorgeous. I love this. Okay, so let me read you the description. She has some really pretty pieces on her website. I need you to go check them out because these pieces are really pretty. So, okay, so the next thing I'm going to buy is going to be this ankle cuff. But she had a quick sale, and so I made a beeline to the website, and I purchased this cuff. I used to have a cuff years ago, and I haven't gotten one since. Because, I mean, the cuff that I had many moons ago, and I do mean many moons ago, like in my 20s, who knows where that is, and it wouldn't still be gold tone at this point. I'm trying to find the cuff on the website so that I can read you the description. Although she may have sold out of it. I don't know. Okay, please hold. Okay, shop. Is there a search function? Baby. Hold on. Bangle. Okay, like bangle. No, the bangle is pretty. These pieces are so good. Closeout sale. Yeah, up to 50% off. Closeout sale. Hello. Load more. Okay, I'm gonna find it. Load more. I might not find it. Maybe she sold out. Child. I hope she did. I hope she did sell out. Because these are so delicious. They're absolutely delicious. Okay, so okay. And these are kind of meant to fit on the arm. Look at that. Look at this. This is gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm determined to read the description. Okay, so let's go with the ankle cuff, because I almost got the ankle cuff, but instead I got the arm cuff. So this arm cuff, so it's 14 karat gold feel. Okay. That's the ankle cuff. And let me show you the ankle cuff. Hold on. So this is the ankle cuff. The little serpent ankle cuff. That's super cute. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find this, which, I mean, it's so good. It's so good. It is so good. Child, I'm really in here trying to find, okay, hold on. Crescent cuff, gold. So it's either going to be gold filled or gold plated. My particular piece, I want to say it was brass and gold plated brass. I really want to say that's what this is. This is heavy. This is not a lightweight piece. I'm going to weigh it and I'll tell you the weight of it. This is a heavy piece. Okay. It might be too heavy for this little bitty scale, but at any rate, let's see if we can fit it on the scale. Ah. It is 149.5 grams. So it's 149.5 grams. It's really heavy. I want to say there's a protective coating over it too. I feel like this will last a lifetime. Okay, and it's stamped Nature on the inside. Yes! Please market your stuff. Okay. This is adorable. Now, if you have a small enough arm, you may be able to put it all the way up here. This may be malleable. I don't know. No, wait a minute. I got it on. Girl. Oh, there we go. Okay. This may be malleable a little bit, but not by much. So I'll be wearing this on my forearm. Thank you so much, Knature The Label. So this was like a really quick unboxing. Just wanted to show you that these hoops that I got by the same company, like I said, I don't think she has these on her website right now, or if she will bring them back, but they're starting to tarnish. So that's how I know these are probably brass or silver undertone, because the tarnish is going to come from a metal that tarnishes like silver or brass. So if I were just to take a polishing cloth and buff it out, you'd be able to see the difference. So let me go do that. Okay, I'm back. So I don't know. you may be able to see a little bit of the tarnish, right? So if I just take a polishing cloth and buff it ever so slightly, ever so gently, you may see, child, I can't see. Hold on. This is exciting stuff, isn't it? Not really. You may be able to see that it polishes up pretty good, versus a section that may be tarnished. I don't know if that's showing on camera. So, and this is just like a polishing cloth for jewelry, like silver or something. And just kind of slightly buff it. You don't have to buff it to smithereens, but just buff it. And it's going to give you a nice shine, my dear. My dear. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. My precious. Okay. Look at that. How cute is that? It's so cute. Girl, I'm so excited. And she has some really cute pieces. Like Miss Ma'am has some really cute stuff. This lady got some really cute stuff. Shop. Wrist. Ankles. Ankles, wrist and ankles, neck, hammered set. Yeah, baby. We got this belly chain. Maybe these belly chains are cute. I need to go to a country where bellies are appreciated, but yeah, child, I need to go to a country where bellies are appreciated. But if you got a little waist, that's cute. You can be cute, sis. Go on, throw your little belly chain on. We got some more summertime left. Okay. That's cute. Okay, so hold on. Let me buff this other hoop. I love these hoops. These hoops are cute, baby. As often as I wear caps, I really do need to be wearing these hoops. Make it cute. Make it cute. Baby, these are adorable. Okay. I feel like these will stay on with the backings I have. Yep. And then this, baby, this is some cute stuff, honey. Look at my arm cuff, baby. That's cute. Where we going, baby? That's cute. I love this. Alright, well, if my arm is hanging down, which way do we want it to face? Like this, right? Well, actually, I don't really know now. Like so? Yeah, that's cute. We love. Okay, so that was like a really super quick unboxing. Please check this brand out. Knature The Label. Yeah, knaturelabel.com. You can go and check out all the nice pieces she has. Bangle sale. Hold on. Silver silhouette. She has silver pieces too. What else do we have? Handbags. That's interesting. The Lola bag. Huh. the Oracle. Look at these rings. Wait a minute, hold on. Look at these rings. Look at that. It's giving big and beautiful and bold. Bold. Look at these. That's cute. Child, I think all the things are cute. All of them. All the things are cute. Salt of the earth. This is cute. Okay, so wait a minute. Heavily plated, tarnish resistant, salt of the earth. Wherein this statement excludes divine, feminine, and masculine. Waterproof, handmade, tarnish resistant, 18 karat, heavily plated. They only have a 7 left. Maybe a 7 is like this finger for me. That one. This is cute. That's a ring. Look at that. That's cute. Okay, y'all go to the website and check out our pieces. These pieces are cute. Define feminine pre-order. Maybe she got some cute stuff. You go check it out. So anyway, that's that. We got this lovely piece. I'm super excited about it. Look at that. Look how cute that is. That's so cute. It's going to be heavily plated 18 karat gold. So yeah, check it out. And peace out. Check out my other vlogs that I've put up. They're just kind of like lifestyle vlogs and vlogs of happenings around Houston. So check that out. I'm gonna try and put up more often, and hopefully I can get some travel vlogs in as well. Get out of the house, get out of the city, get out of the state, and see what else we got going on. So anyway, thank you for tuning back in and listening to me rant about this wonderful piece by Knature The Label. I'm going to put the website up on the screen so you can check it out, and I'll put it down in the comments below so you can go check out her site. She has some really pretty pieces. I think they're fabulous. We like bold jewelry here. If you've subscribed, you like the pieces that I've shown in previous vlogs. And if you haven't subscribed, please do. Click on the subscription button, click the notification button. That way you are notified when I do post. I'm not gonna post a whole bunch all the time, so you won't be bombarded with dings, but yeah, at least you'll be notified when I do put something up and find another fabulous piece. So anyway, love you. Bye.